Welcome to another beautiful tutorial where I show you how to make this beautiful and perfect sheer top. The measurement I'll be using for this top is my bust because I just wanted a short, like just a small crop top. So I just wanted it to be short, just like to the waist. From my shoulder to my waist is around 17. Okay, so the length that I'll be using is 17, but because I want this is going to be like off, it's going to be starting from like my chest. It's not going to be starting from my shoulder, it's going to be starting from my chest. So I'll be taking away 4 inches from that, my total shoulder to waist, which is 17. So I'll be taking away 4 inches. So 17 inches minus 4 inches will give me 13, meaning the old top will be 13 inches. So I needed 1 inch at the down part for me to fold, and I needed another 1 inch on the top for me to fold, making 13 plus 2 inches, making 15 inches. That means for the total length of this top, I'll be making use of 15 inches. Don't forget I'll fold one at the down part and one at the upper part, making 15 inches altogether. So I'm going ahead to mark my 15 inches. So I'll be cutting this like front separately and back separately. Then we'll later join together. Okay. What I need for my width, I'm using the widest part from my shoulder to my waist. My bust is bigger, and my bust is 39. 39 divided by 4 plus 5 inches. That's 14.75. So I'm just going to be using 15 inches. So I'm going to be using 50 inches, but what is there is like 15.5. So 15.5 is still okay for me. So this width, this plus 5 that I did, depends on what you want. Depend on how fitted you want it on your body or how loose. So you can go ahead and divide the bigger size of your body or the larger part of your body divided by 4. You can add plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, depending on how tight or how loose you want the straight top to look. All I need to do is just to go ahead and make a straight line. So I'll be cutting two of this. So basically this is what we need. You need a matching thread, and you need thread an elastic thread like this. This is the kind of thread you'll be needing in making this kind of top. So this one will be reeled under, this will be in the short, so this will be under, while this one will be at the top. Okay, so before we go to the sewing machine, I would like to also make you to understand something. The first thing you need to do is to fold this place on top here and also fold here at the down part. So after doing that, if you cannot use your free hand to determine the spaces that will be in between, okay, the lines that you'll be sewing on, make sure you chalk it out. Okay, so an easier way that I do this thing is this. Remember, you're going to be folding 1 inch, so take that one out. Just do like at the edge here, come in between, also take one, also come here and take 1 inch. Okay, so all you need to do is just to join it together. This one will be for the part you'll be folding on top. When you have your fold like this, okay, you'll be having your fold like this. Okay, so what you need to do now is this. So from here, just take half an inch. Okay, half an inch also here, half an inch. So it's better you see what you're sewing. Okay, so just do that. This is the smoky thread that I have here. So all you need to do is just to get your reeler, and then you use your hand for this one. You won't use your machine to reel this one. You use your hand, and make sure that while you're reeling this, please do not pull the thread. Just go gently. So don't pull your thread at all. I'm gonna add to sew it up here and sew it down here. So what I also discovered while doing this is that you can actually first sew upper part, like you can close the up and the down part before you start to put your lines. So I have my shuttle here and this real smoking thread here. Okay, so this is it. So this is what we go under. So what you need to do is just to start. So on these marked lines, that's what you need to just start sewing. You can see it's already gathering. So this is what you need to do. You do it till the end. Yeah, so this is what we have. Okay, so I'm done with this. I'm done with the sewing. So this is the front side. This is the upper part and this is the down part. I left few inches at the down part. I want to join by the sides. So now when you want to join this on the side, you need to use your normal threads, not the elastic anymore. I'm going to join it with half an inch. Okay. So this is what I have now. This is the wrong side. So just go ahead and overlock it. And this is the right side here. So this is what I have. So this is the final outcome of the straight top. You can see it's looking beautiful. So you can also go ahead and recreate yours. Go ahead and try yours. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.